Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be swatching the 4 new SO Satin Chrome Nail Polishes. These are actually brand spanking new for the Fall Winter 2024 collection update, and I was so excited to see chrome polishes once again because usually those are super pigmented and you can really do some really cool stamping nail art as well, because usually stamping polishes are a little bit more expensive. They have to be super opaque and pigmented, and I have a gut feeling that these will be great for stamping as well. But on forehand off camera I have already applied my base coat, which is one by Holotaco. I just use whatever I have right on my desk, and that one was it. So this first one is called Robotic Rose. I have to say I don't really feel like it is a rosy or either a rose gold kind of color. I feel like it's more of like a champagne-y, like a muted gold or something like that. I don't know. I think it's still a really nice color. It isn't my favorite from this 4-piece collection, but you can take a guess which one is my favorite in the comments down below. If you have been hanging out with me here on YouTube for the last like 5 to 6 or maybe 7 years, I don't know how long you've been here with me being a part of my little nail family. But yeah, you can definitely guess which one is my favorite, and I will tell you a little later on in the video as well. But you can see right here, this is one coat, people. One freaking coat. It is so opaque. I actually decided to only do one coat for all 4 colors in this particular video, just to show you what these are capable of, and my gut feeling was right. These are so pigmented. I am 100% sure these will work well for stamping nail art as well. Oh, and for my pointer finger on my right hand, excuse like the little like skin tear going on right there. I had a little accident earlier, like a few days before recording this video, and my skin got kind of like torn off. You know, stuff happens, so let's just ignore that. I was still letting it heal at the moment I was recording this video, so that is why I hadn't cut it back yet. But yeah, Robotic Rose, one coat. It is insanely good. And I will be quite repetitive for the rest of the video because this next one and the next one and the last one are really pigmented as well. This second one is called Artificial Pinkelligence, and as you might have guessed, this one is my favorite of these 4. I do have to mention I love all 4 colors together. I think the color range really goes well together. I'm even thinking of doing like a nail art with all 4 colors on one nail. I think that would be really beautiful. But Artificial Pinkelligence is actually a really nice, I'd say soft muted pink, maybe a little bit mauvey with a little bit of purple going on in there. It's really gorgeous, and you guys know me, I love my pinks, I love my purpley kind of shades, and this one is definitely my favorite. Once again, super opaque. You don't need more than just one decent coat. The only thing is, because it is a chromy metallic-y kind of polish, they do tend to be a little streaky, so make sure to don't overwork the polish with the brush because the streaks will be visible in the nail polish. I do have to say that after applying a top coat off camera, I didn't record that afterwards, the streakiness is like gone for 90%, so you only see a slight streak and stripiness going on, but not as much as you see right off the bat applying these polishes. So the third color already is Meta Maroon. It is really gorgeous. I thought on first hand when I saw the PR information and the images of these polishes that it would be a super metallic-y red, but I feel like it's a red with a lot of pink in here, which makes it even more likable in my opinion, because I love pinks. I think this is one of those colors that will be beautiful all year round, but especially during the holiday season. And I know it is only the end of August when this video goes up, but I am already thinking about what to do for Christmas, how like I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree, what colors, what ornaments, stuff like that. And this just really reminds me of Christmas. I think it's a gorgeous color. It is very rich in pigment once again. You only need one coat, like even on my length. These are my natural nails, by the way. If you have any questions on them, let me know in the comment section down below. But even on my length, it is a one coater, just like the other colors. Super gorgeous. And as you can see here, those 3 shades together are so beautiful. Like, I kid you not, I think this is such a beautiful color scheme. Beautiful. But that's just my opinion. Maybe you're not into tones like this. Let me know what you think about them in the comments down below. Then the 4th and final color from this collection is Steel GPT. It is a silver chrome, a must-have in my opinion. Perfect for nail art, whether you want to stamp with it or not. It's gorgeous, it's nice, it's just a silver. It's almost like how's that called again? I can't remember. It almost looks like mercury, you know, the liquidy, silvery kind of stuff that's really not good for humans. But it really looks like that. If you would like drop a little bit of this nail polish on like a glass plate or something, it definitely looks like mercury, which is kind of cool. Once again, it's a little streaky, but that's just because that is just what happens with chromy metallic nail polishes. Other than that, super opaque. Once again, I'm just really raving about this collection. I really am excited. I'm even excited to do nail art again, which I haven't done in ages because I have an 8-month-old baby at home, which takes up all of my spare time. Next to also working on my regular job and doing YouTube. It's just, life is busy, but I love it. But I really hope to do some nail art soon. And yeah, let me know what you think about this collection. I do have to do a little bit of cleanup, especially on my dominant hand. I'm a little bit out of the schwung of recording, painting my nails with my non-dominant hand on my dominant hand. So yeah, I do need a little cleanup afterwards. But yeah, it was a pretty quick manicure, mostly because these are so pigmented. You only need one coat. And of course you can always decide to add a glossy top coat, maybe a matte one, but these actually dry satin looking, so they're like half matte, half glossy, if you know what I mean. They're not full on glossy, but just a little toned down. If that's not for you, definitely add a shiny top coat. I did so myself off camera afterwards as well, and this is pretty much my new manicure for the upcoming week. But yeah, let me know what you think about these colors. These only go for 195 euros each. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are safe to use, and I am so excited about them. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.